The U.S. Supreme Court on Friday shot down a request to immediately decide a critical question in a federal criminal case facing former President Donald Trump, whether he is immune from prosecution for actions he took trying to overturn his 2020 election defeat. U.S. Special Jack Smith asked the Supreme Court to rule on the matter quickly, rather than wait for the question to wind its way up through the federal appeals courts. The justices rebuffed that request without explanation in a brief one-page order. No justice publicly dissented. The justices could still decide to consider the issue later. A spokesperson for Smith declined to comment. A spokesperson for Trump did not immediately respond to a request for comment. It's a win for Trump, for now. Trump has argued that the case should be dismissed on the grounds that former presidents cannot face criminal charges related to their official responsibilities. But his first claim of immunity in court was rejected by a U.S. district judge on December 1st, prompting Trump's appeal. That appeal suspended his trial, currently set for March. In a bid to avoid delaying Trump's trial, Smith on December 11th urged the Supreme Court to undertake an expedited ruling, even as the D.C. Circuit Court races to rule on the issue. Prosecutors have accused Trump, the frontrunner for the 2024 Republican presidential nomination, of attempting to obstruct Congress and defraud the U.S. government through schemes to reverse Democratic President Joe Biden's 2020 election win. 3 of the 9 Supreme Court justices were appointed by Trump, who cemented a 6-3 conservative majority. If Trump is re-elected to the White House on November 5th, he could seek to pardon himself of any federal crimes.